Hello, I'm going to boil this water over this little bitty alcohol burner. Since I don't have a regular lighter, I am sadly going to have to use this instead. Isn't that sad? I know, you're all just crying. I can hear you crying. There we go. A flame! It's burning! It's alive! There we go. Okay, now, here we go. Oh, wait. Okay. Boiling the water. Boiling the water. I can hear it. I can sense it. It's starting to get warmer. Bottom of the test tube is blackening. And that is supposed to happen, folks. The bottom of the test tube is supposed to blacken like that. Come on, little alcohol burner. Come on, heat the water up. Make it boil. Boil the water. Boil the water. It's black. It's black water. It's black. I mean, a black test tube. Hope this test tube is supposed to be burning. Be burned. Be burnable. Because if it's not, it's gonna be nasty. Oh, look, bubbles, bubbles. I see bubbles. It's getting louder. I can hear it. I don't know when the camera's gonna be able to hear it, but I can hear it. It's bubbling. Look at that. Look at that bubble. Holy crap. Usually you want to be careful to point it away from yourself because it'll spew water. Let's put this stick in there. I don't know what exactly it does, but apparently it keeps the water from spewing. Take it out. Jeez, things getting so black, can't even see the water in there. Well, blackened the test tube and boiled some water. Well, yeah.